What is up, y'all? Right now we are in Japan and we are heading to breakfast. Hey, good morning. Today we are at the hotel and we're just gonna go get some breakfast. And it is your birthday. Yeah. Scrambled egg, orange rice, and a chicken cutlet, and then some temples, and then a miso soup, rice, and a fish, I think that is. Okay, so we just finished having some breakfast. It was really good. I would give it a 10 out of 10. We've mostly been like trying to find like the local spots, because like I know they have like the regular like their Starbucks where like it's like their chain restaurant, but we just want to have like the local food. So this is our second time having local food. I would say like it's different than America in terms of like some of like the spots, like some of the places are like, very confined and like you can smell the oil, but like the food and the like hospitality are like very good, which I would say is better. I'd rather take the food and hospitality being better than the place looking, you know? So this is just some of the scenery. And right now we are walking to a tour. We're gonna go on a tour, a walking tour. What's cool though is that they have their own Starbucks. So they don't have, I haven't seen a Starbucks yet. But if you look over there, they have like their own Tilly's coffee, which I've seen a lot of it, so I'm assuming that is their Starbucks. I might have to go in there at least once just to see what it's like. I feel like this place, because they're like such international and so far away, they don't have like the same chain stuff that we do. Mason here, spoiler alert, yes they do. And like all the, like they have their own versions of chains and their own version of local food. So that's pretty cool. I think we're staying at their version of a Hilton, because the one we're staying at I've seen 4 of and that's not including, that's not it, but that's not including the one we're staying at. So I think there's about 5 that we know in the area, which is pretty like cool. Okay, so I got a Fanta, but the thing is the laws in like these foreign countries don't allow them to use artificial colors. So if you know what a Welch's Concord grape tastes like, the popsicle, or like the drink, like the Welch's grape drink, like you know what I'm talking about if you had that as a kid. It tastes exactly like this, because like with the Welch's, they're actual fruit, but they're not allowed to like put like the chemicals and all the different type stuff they do in America. So, oh, I see they have a Subway. I didn't know this, but they have Uber. I see some guy over there on his Uber Eats bicycle. All in Tokyo, they wanna get their deliveries. Okay, we're about to pass the 7-Eleven. Okay, so I think we're in one of their huge hubs, because this is where all the huge things are. Do you see how huge that thing is? This is like, I don't know if this is their Times Square, but I'm getting the feeling that it is. Stitch! There is a mall right where we're supposed to be meeting the tour guide people, and I saw they had a Starbucks inside, so I wanted to try it, and I found donuts. 14,000. Just have to get to the station. Walk around from. Yeah, go downtown. Yeah. And pee. Yeah. Every time it's crowded. I can imagine. Yeah. You said there are 60 restaurants here? 60, yes. 60. Up north. Right, okay. Yeah. Why is that? Because of the temperature and maybe the rice and all the fermentation. Look, they have a music wall. We're on the tour right now. Here's us getting some ramen for lunch. So we finished the tour and went and had lunch. Had some ramen and chicken. And then now we're at a park. Jiuyin National Park. What is that? The Shinjingchu Jiuyin National Park. Okay, so we just left the park, and now we are going, I don't even know where we're going, but it's 27 minutes away. And then there's this place, this Pokemon thing that I wanted to check out that's like 2 minutes away from that. So we'll probably just like go to that, like after we go to wherever we're going first. Look how long, huge. Look, they even have Tesla in Japan. And as I see that, we see another Tully's coffee. That is just the Starbucks. And we were in building 1 somewhere over there, and apparently they have 2 buildings. We just found that out, and that is their second building. Place is huge. Everything in Tokyo, I find, is literally huge. So as I was saying, if you're not a person of heights who doesn't like heights, might not be the place for you, because everything here, or most of the things here in buildings, are like high up in many stories, and some of the things aren't always on the first floor. So be prepared if you do not like heights. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go to the Pokémon Center, but I have the directions, so unless I see something, I will see y'all when we get there.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
Okay, we are in Nintendo World right now. Okay, I'm back. We just went to the store and I got Super Mario Odyssey. Yeah, I just got Super Mario Odyssey. Finally. I think the game has been out since like 2017. So I finally hopped on the train and got it. And now, since it is my mom's birthday, I'm gonna surprise her with something. She knows I'm getting it, but I'm gonna get her some clothes. Let's see. Ooh, this might be her store. Wait. Hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna stop in here. Some stuff she'd wear. Okay, so we are heading to dinner. We didn't find anything, but we'll probably look for something tomorrow, because some of the stuff here is more than I have. So yeah, that's that.
1, 2, 3, fire. Okay. 1, 2, 3, fire. I like it.